Hey everybody, I wanted to show you a couple things with Flipgrid since I've had a lot of people telling me they're nervous. One of the cool features of Flipgrid is when you hit record a response, right? You guys are going to want to join with Microsoft because I'm already in here. I'm going to join with Google because I have my Google account, right? So you're going to hit Microsoft. And when you go to record yourself, what's so cool about this, hi. What's so cool about this is you can hit effects and you can literally hit filters. You can pick a different filter if you like, and then you can come back down to effects. If you don't want to show yourself, because I have a lot of people who are like freaked out for some reason, you can go to photo. You want to have a previous photo like of your person saved. And what's so cool is that you can save a picture of your person. So let's just, for the sake of it, I'm going to show you, let's pretend I'm doing FDR. And then you could drag a picture of your photo right over of your person. And then all you would hear when you go forward and hit record, you would actually be talking as if you were FDR. So check it. Hey, my name's Franklin or Teddy Roosevelt, excuse me. You might know me as blah, blah, blah. And I was the president during a rough time and blah, blah, blah. So it's so cool because I don't see you, but I hear you, okay? Because you're talking in first person. If you don't want to use this, you can hit redo, come on back, hit confirm. It's letting you try again. I changed my mind. And then look, if you'd rather just put an emoji over your face, you can do that too. And then watch, it's going to put it on the board and you can drag it and make it bigger. Okay? For all of you people that are shy for some reason, you can do this too. Okay? And so then when you record, this pops up. So it's very user friendly. I hope this helps. Remember, you're talking in the first person as if you were that person. Do not give me a report that says you might want to hear about Franklin Roosevelt and he did this and he was this. No, first person. So you're pretending to be that person, okay? You got this.